Okay, let's create another version of a rabbit in this volume. Volume 2. Okay, you need to inflate a balloon like this. Leave a 3 to 4 inches allowance at the end. Okay, first step is you need to create 1-inch bubble here for the mouth of a rabbit. Next part is you need to create 2 or 3 inches bubble for the ear and another 2 or 3 inches. Okay, like this. So we have 2 ears for the rabbit. Now let's create a small loop here. Small loop for the cheek of our rabbit here. Small loop. Ear loop. Okay. Approximate 2 or 3 inches. Okay. 2 or 3 inches. Create a small loop here. So we created the face of our rabbit, the mouth, the cheek, the ears. Now, moving on to our next part, the neck. And next part, of course, the legs. See? Next part, the body. Next part, the last part is the legs. So we have rabbit, new version. Okay? Hope you like this. Another version of a rabbit.